Tucked into the hills of Hubbardton, Vermont, this one-of-a-kind home invites you to live immersed in nature, surrounded by flowing water, forest trails, and open sky. Over 80 acres of serenity, just 2 miles from Lake Bomoseen, with a spring-fed pond, babbling brook, and a dramatic 50-foot waterfall right in your backyard. Thoughtfully designed for gathering and retreat, the home blends modern craftsmanship with natural textures, like warm wood, clean lines, and sunlit spaces. A peaceful living room with panoramic windows offers front-row views of the changing seasons. Meals feel more meaningful when shared in a space like this. Wellness flows indoors too, with a spa-inspired pool room, cozy seating, and space to recharge. Whether you're swimming laps or simply soaking it in, throughout you'll find moments of surprise and calm. Bedrooms that open to water, wood accents, and screen doors that invite the breeze. Upstairs, private bedrooms become restful retreats, each with its own rhythm, its own view, and touches of natural wood that echo the landscape outside. Quiet hallways connect to serene bathrooms, a step-down shower, and even a second kitchenette, perfect for guests or extended stays. Tucked-away spaces offer flexibility for work, creativity, or weekend visitors. This home is layered with possibility. Gather around the fire pit, launch a kayak, or simply listen to the waterfall. This is more than a home. It's a Vermont experience, crafted for those who value space, beauty, and peace.